What's going on, YouTube? And thanks for stopping back by the channel. Guys, today I'm going to share with you one upgrade that you need to do to your AR15. And that upgrade happens to come from Forward Control Designs, and it's their bolt catch release. The way that they've designed this thing, it's completely natural to use. I used to never use it, but ever since I upgraded Mrs. Cotton's rifle with this thing, it's got a steeper angle down here on the bottom that actually makes it usable for pulling your boat back. And this wide paddle, it's very easy to slap. It's just easy to use. But I'll do some shooting here and we'll come back in, zoom in on it, and show you guys just how easy it is to use. Alright guys, now that we're up close and personal with the bolt catch release, you can really see just how much extra surface area is here and how much more this thing is angled than your normal mil-spec part. It really allows you to use this very naturally. You can bring your hand around and hit the bottom of that paddle with no problems whatsoever. There's no more fingering the side of your gun looking for the bolt catch release, and actually turns this into a useful part of the AR-15. And every rifle that I have is going to be getting one of these Forward Control Designs ABCRs, plain and simple. Once again guys, with your bolt catch back, slap in your other mag, slap the paddle, and you're ready to go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hope you're having a great day. And remember that free will can never be taken, only surrendered.